There you go. It's a whole lot better than the rest you had, isn't it?
Oh yeah. Heck yeah, man. I mean, I'll work that all out of there. This whole side here, this is the side.
This side you're already done.
Yeah.
That side was just as rusty as that.
Uh-huh.
And you've just been fiddling with it for the past 5 minutes with your hands.
Not even 5 minutes. Not even 5 minutes.
And there's the bottom, the last piece on the bottom you're playing with.
Yeah.
How many wheels like that have you ever played with in your life?
A lot. A lot. And
more than we know, right?
Do they come this good? No.
StrongArm gets it, eh?
Hell yeah. Got me so, and I'll tell you, I've been around bikes since I've been 5 years old, so just what it is.
You're the man.
Found out the good shit right here. The good shit. Shit you look for years.
Nice and easy.
Yeah. Shit you look for years. I'm just amazed by it. Okay.
You look like a little kid in a candy store.
It just told you, it just works. What the fuck, you know? It works. That's the whole answer. I'm looking for shit that works.